Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off location access for all websites in Safari. So for you to be able to do that, you have to click on the settings on your iPhone, then you scroll down a little, then you search for the Safari in-app settings, or probably you can come up here and use the search bar and type in Safari. Okay, good. This is the Safari option right here. You click on the Safari, then you scroll down a little, then you click on location. Then from here you can easily put it on deny. So that means whenever you browse a particular website on your Safari, and instead for that website to track your location, you just have to put this on. So with that, you give zero access for websites to be able to track your location on your Safari. So and that is how to turn off website access on Safari. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.